Cleaning regimen for your Ortho-K lenses. You will store your Ortho-K lenses in a Boston Simplest solution, so just make sure you use the same solution to clean your lenses. Put your lenses that you want to clean in the palm of your hand. Make sure you wash your hands before you do that. Open up your solution, put a few droplets on your palm. Now you're going to do circular motions. Make sure you're not putting a lot of pressure on the lens, and then clean it clockwise. Same for the anti-clockwise, and then go up, down, just making sure you're cleaning it from both inside and out. Once that's done, you can put the lens back and then slide it over. Do the same for your other lens. Get more drops, fill it up to the brim, go clock, counterclock, clean, clean, clean. Remember not to put a lot of pressure on your lens. Take it off and you're done.